I just got this really cool pet drinking fountain for my cat, so I thought I'd do a quick review and show you how I set this up. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what it comes with. First we have the outlet to plug it into, and here we have the actual fountain. Just took off the plastic, and it comes with the instruction manual and then one filter, and then it also includes the spout for the water to come out of. Here's the lid. It has the pump directly attached to it, and then you run that cable and plug it into the wall. Here's the base that holds all the water. I like that there's a window so you can see how much water's in there. And here's my cat checking it out because she's always so curious. Here's a closer look at the lid, and this is the underside of the lid. This is where the filter would go, and I wanted to test taking apart the pump so that I could see if it would be easy to clean or not, and it was actually really easy to pop on and off, so I was really happy about that. The instructions say to let the filter soak in water for 5 minutes before you use the fountain, so that's what we're gonna do here. While that's soaking, I'm gonna fill up the base, and you wanna just make sure you don't go over the max line. And again, my cat is watching because she likes to be involved in everything I do. Once the filter is done soaking, you just pop it into the filter holder on the underside of the lid. Before I put the lid back on, I make sure the cable was sticking through this little curve on the side so that the cable could fit outside of the lid. And then I just press the lid into the base, and it fits securely in there. There's a little hole at the top where the spout goes. You just gently press it into there. The last step is to plug it in, and the fountain will start working right away. My cat immediately came to check it out. She was fascinated by this fountain, and she also started drinking out of it pretty quickly. We've had other drinking fountains in the past, and they've been good, but they can be kind of noisy, and I've noticed this one is really quiet. My cat's always been fascinated by the kitchen and bathroom sink, and I think this fountain really resembles that, so I know she's gonna love it. And if your cat's similar to mine, I'm sure they'll love it too. Overall, I'm really happy with this drinking fountain. It was easy to assemble, and my cat seems to already love it. I highly recommend it.